For more natural living hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon so you don't miss out when new videos are released. Essential oils as medicine, natural healing oils you should keep in your medicine cabinet. Like most people, you likely have a medicine cabinet full of things to help you get over bug bites, headaches, and other issues. But did you know that you can also replace almost everything with natural remedies from essential oils? Essential oils have been used for thousands of years, well before modern medicine was discovered. Here are a list of some common essential oils, used to treat many day-to-day ailments. Lavender. This calming fragrant flower can take the place of many medications in your medicine cabinet, such as anti-inflammatories, anti-itch lotions, sleeping pills, and even allergy medicine. Used in the right ways, it can reduce skin issues, sinus problems, and help you sleep better. Peppermint. This oil smells so delicious to most people. It can give almost instant relief for headaches, cramps, and other menstrual issues. Not only that, it can also help reduce heartburn, curb tummy issues, and help with pain. Tea tree. Extracted from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia, this oil is very potent and powerful. It's been used for thousands of years as a treatment for coughs and colds. Plus, it is often used to treat skin issues as it kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Lemon. Almost everything we use to clean comes in a lemon scent. That's because citrus smells so fresh and clean. It also works for many other things such as treating acne, disinfecting wounds, and can even help improve urinary tract infections when added to water. Eucalyptus. This awesome-smelling oil can help cure a blocked nose, treat ulcers, cold sores, and fever. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's good for any disease that causes inflammation such as arthritis. Some people also believe regular use of eucalyptus oil can help treat diabetes and lower blood sugar. Frankincense. The health benefits of frankincense have been known for thousands of years. You can use it to reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, it helps with pain and inflammation as well as works as a strong immunity booster. Some people have even used it to help with cancer treatments. Rosemary. This deliciously fragrant oil comes from the same rosemary leaves you cook with. You will recognize the scent immediately. It helps improve memory, stimulates hair growth, and repels bugs. Some people report a reduction in pain and joint inflammation too. Clove. Both antibacterial and anesthetic, clove oil helps kill germs and reduce swelling. It's great for a toothache when put right on the area that hurts. It will numb the area and make it feel better. It can be quite strong, so you may need to dilute